हेलो एवरीवन। आज मैं आपको लेक्चर 4 कराने वाली हूँ आरआरबी एनटीपीसी प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन सीरीज का, जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल और इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है, क्योंकि रेलवे में क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीट होते हैं। सो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और सीरीज को पूरा कंप्लीट कीजिए। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि सारे नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाएं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. What is the chemical formula of lime water? Correct answer is option B. CaOH2 calcium hydroxide. Question 2. Full form of HTTP. Correct answer is option A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Question 3. Who discovered the cell? Correct answer is option B. Robert Hooke. Question 4. Who wrote Humayunama? Correct answer is option B. Gulbadan Begum. Question number 5. Geet Govind was authored by. Option B. Jayadev. Question 6. Where is the Palghat Pass located? Correct answer is option B. Kerala. Question 7. In which year was ISRO established? Correct answer is option C. 1969. Question 8. Where is Jim Corbett National Park situated? Correct answer is option A. Uttarakhand. Question 9. Where is the tomb of Sher Shah Suri located? Correct answer is option B. Sasaram. Question 10. What is the pH value of lemon juice? Correct answer is option A. 2. Approximately 2. Question 11. How many high courts are there in India? Correct answer is option B. 25. Question number 12. Beriberi disease is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? Correct answer is option B. Vitamin B1. Question 13. Kaveri River flows through which state? Option B. Tamil Nadu. Question 14. The largest uranium deposit is found in which country? Correct answer is option B. Australia. Question 15. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Correct answer is option B. B.R. Ambedkar. Question 16. Who was the RBI governor during demonetization? Correct answer is option B. Urjit Patel. Question 17. Mahatma Gandhi presided over which Congress session? Correct answer is option A. 1924 Belgaum. Question 18. Where is the headquarters of UNESCO located? Correct answer is option C. Paris. Question 19. Which country is not a member of SAARC? Correct answer is option B. Myanmar. Question number 20. Python is a correct answer is option B, programming language. Question 21. Jatak tests are associated with which religion? Correct answer is option B, Buddhism. Question 22. Where is the headquarters of CDSCO located? Correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Question 23. Who was the first president of India? Correct answer is option B, Rajendra Prasad. Question 24. World Environment Day is observed on. Correct answer is option A, June 5. Question 25. ASCII stands for. Correct answer is option A, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question 26. Which planet has the longest day? Correct answer is option A, Venus. Question 27. Where is the Meenakshi temple located? Correct answer is option A, Madurai. Question 28 was what is the capital of Mizoram? Correct answer is option A, Aizawl. Question 29. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? Correct answer is option D, kidneys. Question number 30. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is option A, Indira Gandhi. Question 31. In which year was the Battle of Plassey fought? Correct answer is option A, 1757. Question number 32. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Correct answer is option C, solar energy. Question 33. The International Court of Justice is located in. Correct answer is option C, The Hague. Question 34. Who invented the telephone? Correct answer is option B, Alexander Graham Bell. Question 35. Which gas is used in the preparation of soda water? Correct answer is option C, carbon dioxide. Question 36. What is the capital of Canada? Correct answer is option C, Ottawa. Question 37. Which of the following books is written by Arundhati Roy? Correct answer is option C, The God of Small Things. Question number 38. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014 along with the Malala Yousafzai? ऑप्शन ए कैलाश सत्यार्थी। तो ये थे प्रीवियस ईयर में आए हुए क्वेश्चंस। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।